Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use SellerPic, an AI tool designed for e-commerce creator. With, with it, you can turn simple product photos into professional marketing videos, perfect for your online store. Okay, let's get started. First, just open sellerpic.com, this one, and then just log in with your Google account. And if you are using a smartphone, don't forget to switch to desktop mode like this so you can see all the tools properly. And then inside the seller, you will find several AI features like this. There are instruct edit like this that powered by Nano Banana, where you can edit photo instantly just by typing prompts. And then there are AI fashion model like that lets you uh, use virtual try on like this for accessories, for apparel, swap fashion model, post changer like this. And then there are AI and there are AI video tools like this to generate a lip sync video, image to video. And then there are AI product image that you can use product enhance, product spotlight, lifestyle scenes. And then there are AI editor for advanced adjustments, like you can use background replacer, background remover, image retouch, image extender, image enhancer. But in this tutorial, let's focus on generating a promotional video from a single photo. Just tap on image to video like this, and then you can choose single frame or frame to frame like this. And in this tutorial, I will just choose single frame for a simple generate, and then just upload your photo. Like this, and then in here you have two options. Just write your own prompt in here to generate a video, or choose from the ready-made template preset like this. And in this tutorial, let's go with the prompt method, and then just type a prompt in here. For example, I will write a prompt like this. For example like this, and once you're happy with your prompt, just hit generate. Like this. In just a few moments, SellerPic will create a polished promo video for you like this. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you have turned a product photo into a professional looking promo video. Perfect for your e-commerce listing, ads, or social media. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.